I feel sick. Oh God, I feel sick. I can't get it in. Oh, I'm gonna be sick. Oh, I need to throw it up. I've eaten too much. I shouldn't have had those chips from McDonald's. I'm gonna pass out. I can't move. What am I gonna do? Oh, I'm gonna go over here. My guts. Oh, my guts. Oh, wait a minute. One more try. I'll give it a shake. Oh, I can't do it. I'll try again. I'll just bend that way a bit and I'll stoop down like that. And I'll just see if I can get it a bit more in my guts. And it's just a tail now. It's just that piece of fucking tail. I hope I can fly after this. Yeah, nobody's looking. Nobody's looking. Just act normal, as if you're just on the lookout for food. Get in my belly. Just have a look round now. Let the belly settle down in there now. Let that lovely juicy rat and its guts start to marinate in my belly. Squidgy, squashy, sweet rat, and I'm away.